If you're a developer, you've probably heard of Amazon CodeWhisperer, but is it really the coding assistant you need? Today, we're diving into its features, benefits, and maybe a few shortcomings to see if it lives up to the hype. Amazon CodeWhisperer is designed to assist developers by providing code suggestions as they type, effectively acting like an AI programming partner. It integrates seamlessly with popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code and JetBrains, making it accessible for many developers. The core functionality revolves around generating code snippets based on natural language prompts, which can speed up coding tasks significantly. One of the standout features is its ability to understand context, which means it can generate relevant code suggestions tailored to your specific project. For instance, if you're working on a Python application, it can suggest libraries and functions that fit your needs. However, while the overall user experience is quite smooth, some users have reported that the suggestions can sometimes be off-target or lack depth, especially for more complex coding tasks. For those who are just starting out, CodeWhisperer can be a great learning tool, but advanced developers might find it lacking in nuanced suggestions. Overall, it feels like a useful addition to a coder's toolkit, but it may not replace the need for thorough understanding in manual coding. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, CodeWhisperer can significantly speed up coding by providing quick suggestions, which is especially beneficial for repetitive tasks. The integration with popular IDs is a big plus, making it easy to incorporate into existing workflows. However, there are some drawbacks. The suggestions can sometimes lack accuracy, which can lead to frustration, especially for complex coding scenarios. Additionally, while it's a great tool for beginners, seasoned developers might find it less valuable as it may not always grasp advanced coding concepts. Another consideration is the pricing model. While it's free for individual developers, team, or enterprise licenses could get pricey, ultimately, if you're looking for a reliable AI assistant, it's worth testing out, but keep your expectations in check. In conclusion, Amazon CodeWhisperer is a solid tool for developers, especially those starting out, but it may not fully satisfy the needs of experienced coders. If you're curious about AI coding assistants, it's worth giving a try, but be prepared to supplement it with your own expertise.